Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Bandai, which is the HG Amplified, and it is from the series Mashin Hero Wataru, and this is none other than the Kujinmaru. So this is the Mecha Bird, which is available or which is seen in that anime series, but honestly I don't watch that anime, so I don't have any idea what the Mashin Hero Wataru is all about. But it's like a SD Gundam, something like that. It's like a super deformed mecha. And at first I thought that it is one of the SD Gundam series, but it's different anime. So this time, Bandai released this HG Amplified IMGN, and it's like an expansion set for the previous Mashin Hero Wataru model kit Ryujinmaru. So I'm very excited to buy this, and I bought this from D&M Toys from Shopee Philippines. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. So the box art shows here the Kujinmaru, and it's like a mecha bird, and in the background we can see here the Ryujinmaru model kit, which I already built 6 months ago, and this is very fun to build. It's a straight build, easy kit, and it's a beginner friendly kit, and I really like the gold accents of this model kit. However, this one will enhance the simplistic style of Ryujinmaru, because this will be the expansion set, and it will act as a wing or wings for Ryujinmaru. So it's like a striker pack if we are going to compare to Gundam Seed Mecha. And here we can see the HG Amplified IMGN Kujinmaru. So it's a new release from Bandai, and there it's the Mashin Hero Wataru logo from that anime. On the side of the box we can see a mecha bird design here, the front view, the rear view, and it has a stand included for this kit. And we can see here some clips from the anime, and there we can see the animated version of the Kujinmaru bird, the mecha bird. And the other side of the box we can see action poses where the Kujinmaru is flying here, and the size or the height of this kit is 120 millimeters head height. And there we can see some articulation in the wings, the claws, and the beak of this mecha bird. And there we can see the application if we are going to combine the Kujinmaru to Ryujinmaru. So it will enhance the looks, the power, and the ability of the character. So there, it's very nice. We can see that the head and the tail can act as a shield and part of the fist, aside from the claw, which is available for Ryujinmaru. So if we're going to open the box, you can see a multicolored kit, which is very nice. We have here a gold plastic here with some glossy white. I really like the white for this amplified IMGN kits, because the white here are glossy, and it really stands above the other model kits that I have. And here we have a red colored runner for the horn of the bird, and we have inner frame parts here, gray parts. We got some blue parts here for the wings. We have gold for the talons or the claws. We got some white here, glossy white parts, and black parts here. Then we got matted black runners for the inner frame, I think, or for the wing parts. And we got another jewel type stickers, same like what we got in the Kujinmaru previously. And we have two sets of this. We have two sets of A1 runners, so this the A1 and A2. So same, we got some talons and wing parts, and the small parts here, black parts, and another black parts here for the inner frame or wings, I think, or I presume. And we got some action-based stand, which is very nice to see in this kit, this kind of kits for the amplified IMGN kits. So I don't plan to use this, but I'll just keep this for the other Gundams. I can use this in Gundams because this is compatible, I think, for Gunpla kits. So let's go here in the instruction manual, and there it's not that the same instruction manual like the master grade. So this is the traditional high grade, which is folded side by side, and judging how this kit looks like. So the kit is really easy to build because it doesn't have so much parts, and I think I can finish this within an hour. And there, it's a beginner friendly kit. So in this part it is printed in black and white, while on the other side it is printed colored ink. So there we can see some action poses, same like what we saw in the box art on the side of the box. And there we can see Kujinmaru being combined with Kujinmaru. So the parts list here is not that much, as I said before a while ago. It will be an easy build for me. And there we can see how to combine or apply Kujinmaru to Ryujinmaru. So this will act as a striker pack, same like the striker pack if you're going to compare it to Gundam Seed. And there the sword will be placed on the lower back instead in the back of the kit. And there we can apply the bird mode or the bird booster on Ryujinmaru's back. So it's like an expansion set. So there we can see the head of Kujinmaru can be applied here in the forearms. It will act as a knuckle for Kujinmaru, and the tail for this kit can be applied on the left arm. So the head can be applied in the right arm, and the tail can be applied in the left arm. So this will act as a shield. So it's very nice. You can do the bird punch and the bird shield. Okay. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. We have here glossy white part, which is the D1 runner. and it's very nice because the white is really glossy. I really like glossy colored parts. We got some gold colored parts or runners, and this is the B2 runners. We got some black runner here, or matted gray, matted gray runners, which is runner B1 for the inner frame and the connector joints. We got some glossy red part here, the runner D2 for the bird horn. So this is the horn, and I don't know what's is this part. This is small part here. We got runner C1 and runner C2. So we have runner C1 and C2 for the wing inner frames, I think. And we got two sets of identical colored or multicolored runner here for runner A1 and runner A2. So these are for the legs of the bird and the talons or claws. And we got matted gray colored parts here and blue parts here for the shield and the wing designs. And we got some glossy colored white parts here. And we also have translucent white polycaps here for the joint connectors, and this green jewel stickers for the chest of the bird or Kujinmaru. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Thank you for watching this unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed this video and find this informative regarding this new release of HG amplified IMGN for the year 2024. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care.